Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am explaining differential equations of first order but not first degree. So an equation of the form f of x comma y comma p equal to 0. So this is called first order and not the first degree differential equation. So here p is not a first degree. So that is called first order but not first degree, and the general form of first order not first degree differential equation is p power n plus p1 of x comma y p power n minus 1 plus p2 of x comma y p power n minus 2 plus and so on p n of x comma y equal to 0. So here n value is greater than 1. So this is the general form of first order but not first degree differential equation. So here p equal to dy by dx. P equal to dy by dx. So in this differential equations we have three methods, that is solvable for p, and next one is solvable for y, and next one is solvable for x. Problems on solvable for p. So first problem, p square minus 5p plus 6 equal to 0. So here given p square minus 5p plus 6 equal to 0. So by using the cofactors method, so here 6, then 2 into 3, 6. So I am writing this equation, p square minus 2p minus 3p plus 6 equal to 0. So that is p is common, p minus 2 minus 3 of p minus 2 equal to 0. So therefore cofactors p minus 2 and p minus 3 equal to 0. So here p value is p equal to 2 or p equal to 3. So by taking the first equation, here p equal to 2. So here we know that p is the dy by dx. P is dy by dx equal to 2. Then cross multiplying dy equal to 2 dx. Okay, so integrating on both sides, then integration of dy equal to integration of 2 dx. So integration of dy is nothing but y, that is equal to integration of 2 dx is 2x plus c. So this is first solution. So coming to the next one, that is p equal to 3. So by taking p equal to 3 and also p equal to dy by dx equal to 3, then dy equal to 3 dx, and again integrating on both sides, that is integration of dy equal to 3 into integration of dx. So that is equal to y equal to 3x plus c. Y equal to 3x plus c. So therefore finally our general solution is combining these two equations. So that is y equal to y minus 2x plus c into y minus 3x plus c equal to 0. So this is the general solution of solvable for p. Next problem, xyp square plus 3x square minus 2y square into p minus 6xy equal to 0. So then xyp square plus 3x square p minus 2y square p minus 6xy equal to 0. So then here I am taking in these two terms xp is common, then yp plus 3x minus of these two terms I am taking 2y is common, then yp plus 3x equal to 0. So xp minus 2y into yp plus 3x equal to 0. So by taking first term, that is xp minus 2y equal to 0, then xp equal to 2y. xp equal to 2y, that is x into dy by dx equal to 2y, then dy by dx equal to 2 into y by x. So therefore dy by y equal to 2 into dx by x. So integrating on both sides, that is integration of dy by y 2 into integration of dx by x. So 1 by y dy is log y equal to 2 log x plus c. So this can be written as y equal to x square c. So coming to the next solution, that is yp plus 3x equal to 0. So yp plus 3x equal to 0. So yp equal to minus 3x, y into dy by dx equal to minus 3x. So then here y dy equal to minus 3 into x dx. Okay, so integrating on both sides, integration of y dy equal to minus 3 into integration of x dx. So therefore y square by 2 equal to minus 3 into x square by 2 plus c. So y square plus 3x square plus 2c equal to 0. So combining these two general solutions, then the general solution of given problem is y minus cx square into y square plus 3x square plus 2c equal to 0. Next second one, solvable for y. Solvable for y. So the given differential equation f of x comma y comma p equal to 0. So in these equations here, solvable for y, how to recognize this method? So in the given problem y power is 1, then we solve the problem by solvable for y. So here I am taking one problem, that is xp square minus 2yp plus x equal to 0. So this is the f of x comma y comma p equal to 0 linear differential equation of first order but not first degree. So here y power is 1. So this belongs to solvable for y. So that is here 2yp equal to xp square plus x. Xp square plus x, both sides minus will be cancelled. So then y equal to xp square plus x by 2p. So that is equal to 1 by 2 xp plus 1 by 2 x by p. So here I am substituting. So dy by dx, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So then dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 of first term by using uv formula. So differentiation of uv is uv dash plus v u dash. So that is first term x in uv. So u into v dash. So dp by dx plus v into u dash. So that is 1. So next coming to the next term. So 1 by 2 of here x by t, x by p. So this is by using u by v formula. So what is u by v formula? V into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. So here u equal to x and v equal to p. So v into u dash. What is v value? P into u dash is x minus u into x into v dash. V dash is p. So that is dp by dx by v square, that is p square. So then dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 of x dp by dx plus p plus 1 by 2 of here p by p square. So that is 1 by p minus x by p square of dp by dx. So dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 of p plus x by 2 into dp by dx plus 1 by 2p minus x by 2p square dp by dx. So here dy by dx is nothing but p equal to 1 by 2. So that is p by 2 plus 1 by 2p plus dp by dx is common, then x by 2 minus x by 2p square. So p by 2 plus 1 by 2p. So here p minus p by 2 minus 1 by 2p equal to dp by dx of x by 2 minus x by 2p square. So here p minus 2p by 2 is p by 2 minus 1 by 2p equal to x by 2 minus x by 2p square into dp by dx. So in this I am taking here p by 2 is common, then 1 minus 1 by p square. Okay, 1 minus 1 by p square. X by 2 is common, then 1 minus 1 by p square into dp by dx. So here 1 minus 1 by p square, 1 minus 1 by p square cancel, 2 cancel, then p equal to x into dp by dx. So therefore p by here dp by p equal to dx by x. Okay, so then integrating on both sides, that is integration of dp by p equal to integration of dx by x. So therefore log p equal to log x plus c. So I am writing here c in terms of logarithms. So therefore p equal to xc. P equal to xc. So final general solution is by substituting the p value xc in given problem. So that is our required general solution. So that is xp square. So I am writing first given problem, xp square minus 2yp plus x equal to 0. So in place of p I am writing here xc. So that is x into xc whole square plus minus 2y into xc plus x equal to 0. So therefore x square c square minus 2xyc plus x equal to 0. Next third one, solvable for x. Solvable for x. So in this given equation it is in the form of f of x comma y comma p equal to 0. So this is also first order but not first degree differential equation. So in this how to recognize the problems? So x power is 1. X power is 1, then we are solving problems by using this method. So I am taking one problem, that is 4xp square plus 4yp minus y power 4 equal to 0. So this case belongs to solve. So coming to the solution, 4xp square plus 4yp minus y power 4 equal to 0. So here 4xp square equal to y power 4 minus 4yp. So then x equal to y power 4 minus 4yp by 4p square. So then x equal to 1 by 4 of y power 4 by p square minus y by p, minus y by p. So then here x value. So x differentiate with respect to y. So that is dx by dy equal to, so 1 by 4 of, by using u by v formula, so that is 1 by p square into 4y cube plus y power 4 into minus 2 by p cube dp by dy minus of 1 by p into next term, same next term is also by u by v formula. So 1 by p into 1 plus y into minus 1 by p square dp by dy. So that can be written as 1 by p of 1 by p minus y cube by p square plus 1 by p equal to minus y power 4 by 2p cube plus y by p square of dp by dy. So therefore 2 by p of 1 minus, here 1 by p plus 1 by p, 2 by p. So 2 by p of 1 minus y cube by 2p equal to, so here y by p square is common. Then 1 minus y cube by 2p into dp by dy. So then here 2 equal to y by p dp by dy. So then integrating on both sides, then therefore dp by p equal to 2 into dy by y. Then integrating on both sides, then integration of dp by p equal to 2 into integration of dy by y. So then log p equal to 2 log y plus log c. So therefore that is p equal to cy square. So this is the general solution of given problem. So substituting this p value in given equation. Substituting this p value in given problem, then 4x into cy square plus 4y into cy square minus y power 4 equal to 0. Hope you are all understood this topic. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.